Hey, my name is Kerry Overbrunner, and my passion is to help authors write, publish, and market brilliant books. One of the questions I get all the time is, Kerry, how do I come up with a killer book title? Those of us in the industry know how important a killer book title is. It can make or break a book, and it's one of the first and primary buying decisions that your potential readers will ever make. So I came up with this thing called the pinch method, and I teach it to all my authors. It's fantastic because it literally helps your title reach out and pinch your potential reader and stop them in their tracks. I have 5 books here, and I'm going to explain the method really quickly for you. The first letter is P, which stands for make a promise. Tim Ferriss did exactly that with the 4-hour work week and made a promise. He further explains it by saying, escape the 9 to 5, live anywhere, and join the new rich. Guess what? It became a #1 New York Times best-selling book. I think his title was fantastic. Next, we have Information I. We want your book to provide information. You don't need to do all these, but you need to do a few of them, and certainly one. That's what Jim Collins did with Good to Great. His subtitle says, Why Some Companies Make the Leap and Others Don't. So people who picked this book up said, does our company, do they have the chances of making the leap? Are we good or are we great, and how do we know? And guess what? His book provided the information so that readers found out that for themselves. Our next book is called Platform by Michael Hyatt, and he did the N in pinch, which addressed the need. A lot of people today, they say, I don't have a big enough platform. I don't have a way where I can be seen or heard. Guess what? His book says, get noticed in a noisy world. That's the title, that's the subtitle, and then he referenced a tagline, which was fantastic. You see this a lot of times with nonfiction books where they add another tagline. It says a step-by-step guide for anyone with something to say or sell. New York Times best-selling book. Guess why? Because he did the N in the pinch method, which is address a need. Here's the C by Mark Goodman. C is create curiosity. That's what this book, Future Crimes, did. I saw this and I thought, oh wow, this is fantastic. And then you look at the subtitle and it even gets you further. Everything is connected, everyone is vulnerable, and what we can do about it. I'm curious, I'm hooked, I want to find out more. Again, the C is create curiosity. And then our last letter, H, again, you don't need to do all of them. Do a few, certainly one. Delivering Happiness by Tony Hsieh of Zappos Shoes. You might say, gee, what is the subtitle? A Path to Profits, Passion, and Purpose. Where's the humor? Here it is. Seth Godin does a little endorsement right on the cover. This book is funny, okay? And I read it, and it was funny. Tony Hsieh did a great job of bringing out the humor of his crazy company, Zappos Shoes. Folks, I hope you found this fantastic and valuable. I know it's helped a lot of authors in the past. I wish you the best success on your book, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.